Coach, a good win for you. What made the difference today?
Yeah, that's a good win, especially away. First of all, congrats to Turgăjiu for a good game on their side. They are trying everything. I think we had more players who was just on their way of performance. Four guys with double digit. I think that was the reason mainly why we won. A little bit bigger rotation, actually quality rotation.
What can Rapid achieve this season?
That's a very tough question. I don't know. Okay, the result is great right now, cannot be better, but we will go game by game. First of all, my main idea is to improve everything. One time players to reach the top teams from the league. Can we compete with them? And after that, of course, everything is possible, but I would say we are on a good way right now.
A question for you. I ask all the coaches this question. It seems fair to you that Universitatea Cluj is not in the championship right now?
I will say by their roster and how they are playing right now, they are out of this league. Why they decided it's not about me, it's about federation, it's about all other clubs, how they will organize that. I think on one hand this is good for Romanian basketball to have that kind of team or one team on that level. It's very tough for them. I know league is both what they are playing are stronger than Romania. They decide to do that. How looks for other, I have no information how other teams react on that. But for me it's okay. If that will help to Romanian basketball to have more better players or more, because I strongly believe that Romania needs to be on higher level of European basketball. This is how I see what you got as a facilities, as a players, how many talents. I'm actually surprised why you are not on higher level. Yeah, but that's another story. It's
financial. It's financial.
No, it's not. That's not for financial. No. You will find the financial. This is other story. How Cluj found money. Yeah, I agree. Money talks right now on the highest level in Europe. But on one hand, that could be the good one. On the other hand, why Turgăjiu will not play with Cluj here and to have many fans to see that team how it looks like. That's other side of the medal. And one, it's good. On other, why not to have that team? I know this is very tough for them to play 3 weeks. That's out of mind, but I would like to see them also in my team and all other ones to compete.
Yes.
It's something in between.